Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn Maharashtra State Board Standard 9 Science and Technology Chapter number 1 Laws of Motion. So first we will learn the definition of motion. So motion means what, students? A body is said to be in a motion. A body is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to its surrounding and at rest otherwise. If you see, students, in textbook page number 1 there are 4 examples are given. So we have to find out in this 4 example presence of motion and absence of motion. Now we will take the first example, flight of a bird. If a body is said to be in motion if it changes the positions. So in the first example the bird changes its positions. So that's why it is the example of presence of motion. Now we will take the second example, leaves flying through air. So now if you see a tree is there and some leaves are fall from the tree. So that fall from the tree means changes the positions of the leaves. So it is also examples of presence of motion. Now we will see the absence of motion. A stationary train means the positions of an object or a body does not changes. So that's why it is the example of absence of motion. So second example of absence of motion is a stone lying on a hill. It is also in the rest positions, means the body or object does not changes its positions. So that's why this is example of absence of motions. Now students, let us see some more examples of motion. So first example of motion is moving car on a road. So boys going to school by bicycle, girls playing on the ground, earth and other planets are revolving around the sun. So these are some more examples of motions. So you can get the clear idea of motions. Now some more examples of body in rest. So a tree, a school building, electric pole, mountain, book lying on a table. These are all some more examples of body at rest condition. Now in your textbook, student, the question is asked, you are traveling in a bus, is the person sitting next to you in motion? So for clarify these questions we will take the another example. Like we can say it is a hot air balloon. In the hot air balloon, students, the person A and person B is sitting next to person A. So for person A, person B is not in motion, but for person B is in the motion who is observing from the roadside. Person B is in the motion who is observing from the road outside. Now students, let us take another definitions, that is called as a distance. So distance means what, students? So distance is the length of actual path followed by a body between the points under consideration. So distance is the length of actual path. So we will take for this example, so this is a person X So person X want to go to school. First, person X go to his friend's house. So that second person name is ABC. Then they both go to school. So distance traveled by X is first from X to ABC is 5 km and from ABC to school is 8 km. So total distance traveled by person X is distance is equal to 5 plus 8 is equal to 13 km. So now what is mean by displacement? Displacement is what? Students, we will take the same example. This is the person A. So it is the shortest possible distance. So now the person X is not going to the person ABC. He directly go to the school. Means it is the shortest possible distance is called as a displacement. So this displacement is total student 9 km. So now you are getting clear the distance and displacement definition. Thanks for watching my video. Take care. Bye.